Hi, I'm Eli. I'm a product design engineer here at Sensio, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Titan Plus wireless door sensor. This is the wireless door sensor. It can be used to trigger the lights when you open a kitchen cupboard, a drawer or wardrobe door. With a wide sensor you can place this behind up to 2 cupboard doors and it'll turn on the lights no matter which door is opened. These are great as they're easy to install, you don't need to worry about wiring, they have a 10-year replaceable battery, and you can pair up to 10 sensors to a driver. Each wireless sensor includes a mounting bracket that can be installed with the included VHB tape or screws. Once your mounting bracket is installed, simply slot the sensor into place, like so. All of these sensors pair directly to the wireless receiver. The wireless receiver is compatible with any of our Titan Plus drivers by simply plugging it into the sensor port. With your wireless receiver plugged into your Titan Plus driver, simply press the button on the back. You'll see a blue light begin to flash. That means you're ready to pair. Press the button on the back of your wireless sensor to pair to the driver. You'll see the light begin to flash, and now you're paired. You can repeat the pairing process as many times as you need to pair multiple sensors to one receiver. You could activate your lights with a door sensor and also use a touch or IR to adjust brightness. With the Titan Plus wireless sensors, you can pair up to 10 receivers to one sensor. Here you can see I have 4 different drivers with 4 different lights all paired to one receiver. If you ever need to modify your setup, you can easily unpair wireless sensors by long pressing the button on the back of the wireless receiver for 10 seconds. Once successful, the light will flash and you have unpaired any wireless sensors. Thanks for watching. At Sensio, we're all about making lighting simple. For more information, visit sensiolighting.com.